Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy. So, today again we are here for learning science. So, let's start our today's lecture. As you know, I am your science teacher Mubassira Miss from Mahadi School, and we learn about lesson number 1, you and your surroundings revision. So today we revise our lesson number 1 and we revise exercise of lesson number 1. So let's start our today's lecture with one beautiful line. So here you can see that one picture, that how we get success. That think, when you think you get idea, and when you get idea, you try this idea for success. So think, then you get idea, then you get try and do, then do again and again, and when you keep doing the things you get success. So let's start our today's lecture. Lesson number 1, you and your surroundings. So today we revise lesson number 1 exercise which we write in our fair book. So we revise for our exam. So let's start our today's topic revision. Before that we revise exercise of lesson number, we revise the lesson number 1, you and your surroundings. So first, what we learn in lesson number 1? We learn about surroundings in lesson number 1, different types of surroundings. So first, what is surrounding? As you know that we learn in lesson number 1 that the area around us is called surroundings. So wherever you are, the area around you is called surroundings. In this lesson we learn about different types of surroundings and how our surroundings should be. So we learn that we should keep our surroundings clean. So let's revise what is lesson number 1. So what is surroundings? The meaning of surrounding is the area around us is called surroundings. So here you can see one picture of camp. So in this surroundings you can see trees, tent, river and many other things. So there is 2 boys. The surrounding of these 2 boys are forest. So now you can understand the area around us is called surroundings. When you go on other place, your surrounding will be changed, which we learn in lesson number 1. We also learn in this lesson one story of one frog and 2 friends, Smiley and Pinky and Neil. So in this lesson we learn about how our surrounding should be. So let's revise that when you go to school, your surrounding will be changed. So right now we are not going to school, but when you come to school, your surrounding will be changed. So here you can see that the surrounding of school is different from your house. You can see here playground and so many things with which you can play. So your surrounding will change when you go to other place. So here is the surrounding of your school. Then what is your surrounding when you in classroom? So here you can see the picture of one classroom. In this classroom you can see blackboard, windows, benches, table, chair, globe and many other things. So this is your surrounding when you are in class. But this class is empty. When you go in your class with students and teacher. So what did you see in your class? that benches, table, chair, window, projector, blackboard, notice board and many other things. All these things you cannot see in your house. Why? Because it is your surrounding in your classroom. So now you can understand that what is your surrounding when you are in class. Let's see one class with student. So here you can see that teacher, blackboard, books, bags and many other students. So this is your surrounding when you are in class. So when you go other place, your surrounding will be changed. Then you can see here surrounding in your house. It is drawing room or living room of our house. So when you are in house, you cannot see benches and blackboard in your house. Why? Because you are in house. So your surrounding will be changed. Like that, when you go in other room like dining room or kitchen room, your surrounding again change. Why? Because you are going one place to other place. So that's why the surrounding will be changed when you go one place to other place. So here is your surrounding when you are in living room. Then it is a playground of one school. Maybe there is a sports day there. So now you can see that when you go in other place, and you can see here it is also playground of school, but the surrounding change. Why? Because there is a sports day. So when you go in school, so your school, when you are in class, your surrounding is changed. When you are in playground, your surrounding will be changed. So like that, when you go other place, your surrounding should be changed. Now you can see here so many children are playing. Then it is a surrounding of garden. So when you go in garden, different types of things you see around you. So the area around you is called surroundings. Here you can see that swings and many children are playing around you and many things. So this is your surrounding when you go in garden. Then what did you see on screen? Different types of things. It is a picture of market. So when you go in market, so many stalls are there. So in this picture you can see that one vegetable seller, then one fruit seller, bakery is there, then meat seller. So when you go in market for buy vegetables, you can see that there is no only vegetables. You can take fruits from there, cereals from there, pulses from there, and you can also buy bakery items. You can also buy fish from there. So this is your surroundings when you go in market. So there are different types of market. Here you can see that food market, but when you go in other market, you can buy cloth. It is different market. So your surrounding will be changed. Then it is your surrounding when you on road. So you can see many vehicles there and many people also there. So many vehicles like bikes and bicycles, car, buses. These all things you can see on road. So this is your surrounding when you are on road. Here you can see the picture of road. In this picture you can see traffic signal, taxi, school bus and other cars also. So this is your surrounding when you on road. So now you can understand that different places have different surroundings. Then what did you see on your screen? Seesaw. So when you go for picnic on seesaw near sea, your surrounding will be changed. So here you can see that ocean is there, sand, then trees. You can see here coconut tree, and boys and girls are flying kites. So this is your surrounding when you go on seesaw. Then you can see here the picture of market. So on shop of fruit seller you can see different types of fruit and one big umbrella there, and you can see that different types of fruits there. Then it is other picture of market. So market near river, and in this place where water is around us, they sell fruits and vegetables like that. So it is the different surrounding of market near water. They sell fruits and vegetables in boat. So now you can understand that on different places the surrounding will be changed. Now we should grow more trees. So how our surrounding will be? Our surrounding will be green and clean. So for get green surrounding we need to grow more trees. So here you can see the picture of trees. So we should grow more trees. Why? Because trees give us fresh and clean air which we use in breathing. So if we want to get clean and fresh air, we should grow more trees. It keeps the air fresh and clean. You can see here trees keep the air fresh and clean. So we should grow more trees. Why? Because trees give us air for breathing, and trees also keep our surrounding clean and fresh. So we get fresh air from trees. So here you can see that trees keep the air fresh and clean. So we should grow more trees. Now here you can see the dirty surrounding. So what happens when your surrounding will be dirty? If your surrounding will be dirty, you can fall ill. So keep yourself healthy and clean. You should keep your surrounding clean. What happens if your surrounding not clean? You can get fever, you can fall ill, you can get cold. So because of all these things you fall ill. So if you want to grow healthy, you should keep your surroundings clean. So what is surrounding? The area around us called surrounding. And how our surroundings should be? Our surroundings should be clean and neat. So we should grow more tree and keep our surroundings clean for grow healthy. If we stay in dirty surrounding, we should fall ill. So let's start our today's exercise. Lesson number 1, you and your surrounding. Question number 1, hard words. So we revise our lesson number 1 with exercise for exam. So let's start our first question, hard words. So first spelling is surroundings. 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 We learn that the area around us called surroundings. So first spelling is surroundings. Number 2, clean. CLEAN. So clean. You can see here one boy and one girl is throwing waste into the dustbin. Why? Because they want their surrounding clean. So when you throw waste into the dustbin, your surrounding will be clean. Healthy. 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 So here you can see one boy is doing exercise. So because of that boy is healthy. Grow. 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 You can see here one picture of boy. In this picture you can see that boy is growing. First he is little one, then he grow and he become older man. So here is spelling of grow. Number 5, tree. 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 We learn about tree in lesson number 3 and 4. So here you can see the picture of tree. Number 6, plants. When trees start growing, small trees, we called it plant. We learn in lesson number 3 and 4 that how plants become tree. So here you can see the picture of plant. Number 7, save. You can see here that one boy and girl saving a tree. So we should save our trees. We should not cut tree because trees give us fresh and clean air. Number 8, earth. So earth is the place where the whole living things are alive. So here you can see the picture of earth where we all are living. Number 9, waste. 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 So here you can see the garbage on the road. These all are waste. Why? Because we drink cold drinks and we throw the bottle of cold drinks. So this is the waste. Number 10, throw. So you can see here one boy is eating candy and throw wrapper. Number 11, moving. Number 12, car. You all know about car. Number 13, house. So here you can see the picture of house. We all are living in house. Number 14, keep. Number 15, dustbin. So dustbin is the thing in which we throw waste. Here you can see that one girl is throwing garbage in dustbin. Number 16, litter. Litter means throw waste in here and there or anywhere. So here you can see that one girl is throwing garbage in water. Because of that the water become dirty. So we called it litter. Now question number 2, true and false. So in this question you have to write true for right sentence and false for wrong sentence. So let's start our question number 2, true and false. Number 1, we should keep our surroundings clean. So here you can see 2 pictures. In one picture you can see so many garbage on road. So it is dirty surrounding. And in second picture you can see that people are cleaning the road. So we should keep our surroundings clean. True or false? True. Why? Because if our surrounding will be clean, our surrounding is fresh, and because of that fresh surrounding we grow healthy. So we should keep our surroundings clean. It is true. We should not our surrounding dirty. Because of dirty surrounding we fall ill. So we should keep our surroundings clean. True. It is a right sentence. Number 2. Dirty surroundings can make us fall ill. So here you can see two pictures. In one picture the surrounding is very dirty. You can see here the dustbin and so many garbage is there, and because of that so many mosquitoes you can see, and because of that mosquito you get fall ill, you get fever, you get cold and many other things. So dirty surroundings can make us fall ill. You can see here true or false. Dirty surrounding and one boy is ill. So yes, dirty surrounding can make us fall ill. So we write here true. Why? Because if our surrounding is dirty, you get fall ill. So dirty surrounding make us fall ill. So keep your surroundings clean. It helps to grow you healthy. Number 3. We should never grow trees. So here you can see the picture of one boy and girl which are growing tree. In second picture you can see one boy is cutting tree. So we cut tree for our use. We use tree in making chairs, tables, and even we cut the forest for making their buildings. So you can understand that if we cut a tree, we don't get air for breathing. So we should never grow trees. So which one is right from this? First one. So this sentence is we should never grow trees. True or false? False. Why? Because we have to grow more and more tree. Why? Because trees give us clean and fresh air, and we learn in lesson number 3 and 4 that we also get food from plant, and most of the food we get from plant. So we should never grow trees is false. We should grow more and more trees. So we write here false. False means wrong. So this sentence is wrong. So we write here false. Number 4. Always throw waste into the dustbin. So here you can see same girl. In one picture, girl is throwing garbage in river or water. And in second picture you can see the same girl throwing garbage in dustbin. So always throw waste into the dustbin. Why? Because if you throw waste here and there, then your surrounding will be dirty, and dirty surrounding make you fall ill. So always throw waste into the dustbin is true. So here we write true. True. So always throw waste into the dustbin. Whenever you are in home or you are in school or you are in garden, throw waste into the dustbin, not on the road, not on the benches and other things. Number 5. Trees keep the air fresh and clean. So here you can see two pictures. In one picture, so many trees, and in second picture you can see factories, and factories give us smoke, and because of that smoke air we get fall ill. So trees keep the air fresh and clean. True or false? True. Why? Because trees keep the air fresh and clean. Trees give us fresh air. When you go in garden, you feel fresh. When you go around factories or when you are on road, you can feel the smoky air in atmosphere. Why? Because of smoke of vehicles. So trees keep the air fresh and clean. So we write here true. Now question number 3, match the following. So in this we have to write question with answer. We have to join question with. So let's start. First, area around us. So from this, which one is we called area around us? Is that waste? Is that can make ill? Is that trees? The area around us called trees. The area around us called surroundings. So number 4 is right answer. So we joined number 1 with 4. Area around us called surroundings. Number 2, dirty surroundings. So dirty surroundings make us fall ill. So we join 2 with 2. Then dustbin. So what we throw in dustbin? Waste or trees? Waste. So we joined 3 with 1. And number 4, clean and fresh air. So which thing give us clean and fresh air? Tree. So we joined 4 with trees. So here you can see the match the following. So I write here the answer. Area around us called surroundings. Dirty surrounding can make us ill. Dustbin, waste, and clean and fresh air, tree. Question number 4. Write 2 examples. So in this question we have to write 2 names of each. So let's see. Write 2 examples. So first, things you see around your house. So when you see around your house, what did you see around you? Trees and house. So when you go out your house and you can see trees around your house and other house around your house. So first is thing you see around your house, tree and house. You can write also whatever you see around your house. You can write garden also, car also, or many other things like bank or post office also. Whatever you see around your house, you can write here. Number 2, things you see around your school. So our school is near the garden. So we write here, we can see car around our school and we can see garden around our school. We all know that we see one garden around our school. You can write also tree also. You can write house also and other school also. But I write here car and garden. So things you see around your school, car and garden. So here we revise our lesson number 1 exercise which we write in fair book. So what we learn? That we learn about surroundings, the area around us called surroundings. So when we go on different place, our surrounding will be changed. So we should keep our surroundings clean and we should grow more trees.